Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to set up a backdoor Roth IRA using Charles Schwab. Now, this is one of those strategies that sounds complicated at first, but once you see the process, it's actually pretty simple. And this strategy is especially useful if you make too much money to contribute directly to a Roth IRA, want tax-free growth in retirement, or you're trying to build long-term wealth in the smartest way possible. By the end of this video, you'll know what a backdoor Roth IRA is, who should use it, exactly how to do it on Charles Schwab, what mistakes to avoid, and how to handle taxes properly. So make sure you watch until the end, because there are a few small details that can save you a lot of money in taxes. Let's get into it. A backdoor Roth IRA is a great way to contribute to your Roth IRA even if you exceed the account's maximum income maximums. However, each broker makes the process slightly different. We've already written about how Vanguard account holders can contribute to their backdoor Roth IRAs, and we've discussed how to do it with your Fidelity account as well. But what about using a backdoor Roth IRA if you deal with Schwab? First, though, let's review what a backdoor Roth IRA is and why you might need one. The annual maximum that one person can contribute to a Roth IRA, which allows you to put post-tax money into an account that will then grow tax-free and allow the money in it to be withdrawn tax-free, is $6,500 for 2023 and $7,500 if you're 50 or older. But once your modified adjusted gross income rises to $138,000 to $153,000 for single filers and $218,000 to $228,000 for married filing jointly, 2022, you begin to phase out of Roth IRA contributions. If you make more than $153,000 single and more than $228,000 married in 2022, the Roth IRA is off limits to you. That's when you can turn to the backdoor Roth IRA process to indirectly contribute to your Roth IRA. You do that by contributing to a traditional IRA, again, a maximum of $6,500 for 2023, and then a few days after that money hits your account, you transfer the money from the traditional IRA to the Roth IRA that you've already set up. This process will result in a prorated tax bill if you already have money in a traditional IRA. So if you want to perform the backdoor Roth, you'll need to send that money elsewhere. In late 2021 and early 2022, a potential bill was floated out of Congress that would have wiped out the ability for anybody to make a backdoor Roth IRA. That provision never passed, though, and as such, the backdoor Roth IRA lives on for those who make too much money to make regular Roth IRA contributions. If you have a Schwab account, here's how to utilize the backdoor Roth IRA process. Step 1. Contribute to your Schwab Traditional IRA. Log into your account at Schwab. If you don't have a traditional IRA at the broker, click the Open an Account button at the top of the page. Follow the prompts to set up your account and fund it. If you already have a traditional IRA at the broker, click Transfers and Payments instead. Then choose how you'd like to transfer funds. An online transfer will be the quickest and easiest way to contribute for most people. Choose to transfer cash only, then select the account to transfer cash from, and select your IRA in the To field. An online transfer into the traditional IRA will take 1 to 2 business days if you're moving money from an external bank account, but it will complete on the same day if you're moving money from another Schwab account. Once you set up the transfer and the money lands in the traditional IRA account, it's time to move to the next step. Step 2. Convert your Schwab Traditional IRA to a Roth IRA. Once your money shows up in your traditional IRA, you're ready to convert the balance to a Roth IRA. From your account page, follow the same steps to get to the transfer page. Select Online Transfers. This time, select your traditional IRA as your From account and your Roth IRA as your To account. After a warning about the tax implications, you'll see a new page for converting your traditional IRA to Roth IRA. Select the From and To accounts again, and then choose a Full Conversion. You'll see another window about tax withholding for IRA distributions. Select No for federal and state tax withholding if applicable. Click Submit on the final page and your conversion is complete. Step 3. Choose your Roth IRA investments. Once your money reaches your Roth IRA, it's time to choose how to invest your money. From your main account page, hover your mouse over Trade and select the type of securities you'd like to buy. For this example, we'll choose all-in-one trade ticket, as it can be used to purchase any type of security. Make sure you have your Roth IRA selected, choose the type of investment you'd like to buy under the Strategy dropdown, and enter the ticker symbol. In this example, we've chosen Schwab's S&P 500 Mutual Fund. Select Buy, enter the amount to invest, and select whether you want to reinvest dividends and/or capital gains. Make sure the details of the order are correct on the Verify Order page and click Submit. Once you see the confirmation page, you're done. Schwab makes the whole process quick and easy, especially if you already have money at the brokerage that you'd like to move into your Roth IRA. If you're still wondering about whether a backdoor Roth IRA is worth it for you, or you want more details on how they work, check out our in-depth tutorial on how to do a backdoor Roth IRA. But whether taking the time is worth it, know this: consistently implementing the strategy could eventually make you a Roth IRA millionaire. Here's a pro tip most people miss. The faster you convert after contributing, the better. Why? Because if the money grows even a little bit, that growth becomes taxable. So ideally, contribute today, convert today or the next business day. Don't wait weeks. Don't invest first. This keeps your taxes clean and simple. What to invest in after the conversion? Now that the money is inside your Roth IRA, this is where the magic happens. You can invest in index funds, ETFs, mutual funds, stocks, target date funds. For beginners, simple options are total market index funds, S&P 500 index funds, target retirement funds. The goal here is long-term growth. This money is now in a tax-free environment, so growth plus dividends plus future withdrawals equals tax-free. That's powerful.
Common mistakes to avoid. Let me save you some pain. Here are the biggest mistakes people make. Investing before converting. Forgetting Form 8606. Having large pre-tax IRA balances and ignoring the pro rata rule. Withholding taxes during conversion. Waiting too long between contribution and conversion. Thinking this is illegal. It's not. It's IRS approved. If you avoid these, your backdoor Roth IRA will run smoothly. This strategy is powerful, but it's not magic. It works best when you are consistent, invest long-term, understand the tax rules, and don't rush or guess. If you're unsure about your situation, especially with multiple IRAs, talk to a CPA or tax professional once. After that, you can do this on your own every year. And that's it. That's exactly how to set up a backdoor Roth IRA on Charles Schwab, step by step. If this video helped you, hit the like button. If you want more tutorials on investing, taxes, and online business tools, subscribe to the channel. Drop a comment below if you want a video on Roth IRA versus Traditional IRA, best Schwab funds for beginners, or how to automate your investments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.